Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to online English class. Today's topic is articles. We have read this topic earlier in class 3 also. So let's discuss more about it. In today's session, we are going to learn what are articles, types of articles, and usage of articles. So let's begin. First of all, what are articles? Children, articles are very important part of English grammar. It tells us whether a noun is a particular noun or a common noun, as it is always placed in front of noun but sometimes before an adjective. Now children, articles are broadly categorized into two categories. Article a and an, second is article the. Article a and an tells us that noun is a common noun. It is always placed before a common noun. But article the tells us that noun is a particular noun. Particular means the thing which we are already aware of, which we know already, like sun, moon. Everyone knows about sun, moon, stars. So we already know about these things. Red Fort, Taj Mahal, everyone is aware of these places. So these are particular things. First we'll discuss about article a and an. Now children, when you go for picnic, your mother packs a lunch box, a water bottle, an apple, a ball, a mat, and an umbrella. If you carefully look all these things, what are they? They are nouns. And what kind of nouns they are? They are common nouns. And they are also one lunch box, one water bottle, one apple. So we can say they are singular nouns. I have placed article a also before such nouns and article an also before such nouns. So we can say before common nouns article a or an is placed. That I have told you earlier also. Article a and an tells us that noun is a common noun. So we can place article a or an before a common noun which is singular in number, right? But when to place article a and when to place article an, this we have to understand. Children, as we all know, in English language, we have 26 letters from A to Z. Out of these 26 letters, letter A, E, I, O and U, these are called vowels as they produce vowel sound like A, E, O. Such sounds are called vowel sound. Now children, letters B, C, D, F, G, H. All these letters are called consonants and the sound they produce is called consonant sound. Alright. So children, if a noun is beginning with a consonant sound, then we'll place article a, but if a noun is beginning with a vowel sound, we'll place article an. Now let's understand this through few examples. Engineer. With which sound is it beginning with? E. This sound? So it is a vowel sound or a consonant sound? It's a vowel sound. So what we'll place? An. Article an. Factory. It's beginning with consonant sound. So what we'll place? Fa is the beginning sound. We'll place article a. So have you understood? We have to focus upon the beginning sound. Let's understand few more examples. R. Children, how do we pronounce this word? R. With which sound is it beginning? A. Is it a vowel sound or a consonant sound? Tell me. It's a vowel sound. So we'll place article an. Very good. Next is university. Children, see, it is beginning with letter U, which is a vowel, but it is beginning with sound U. And this is not a vowel, this is consonant. So we have to focus upon the sound, beginning sound, and that's a consonant sound. So we'll place article a. Honor. Now here also H is silent. We pronounce it honor. So with which sound is it beginning? O. That's a vowel sound. So we'll place article an. So I think you have understood with which sound the word is beginning. We have to place articles accordingly. Now MP. Although this is a consonant, M is a consonant definitely, but we'll place, as it is beginning with sound M, we'll place article N. Children, keep in mind, we have to see the beginning sound. We don't have to focus upon the beginning letter. We have to focus upon the beginning sound. So if the beginning sound is a vowel, we will place article N. If the beginning sound is consonant, we will place article A. 1 rupee coin. Now you will tell me with which sound is it beginning? 1 rupee. So it is beginning with this sound. Is it a consonant or a vowel sound? Consonant sound. It is beginning with consonant sound. So definitely we will put article A. So I think you have understood all these examples. So we have come to a conclusion. Article A is placed before a noun that begins with consonant sound. These are the examples like a banana, a cat, a bag, a table. Article N is placed before a noun that begins with vowel sound like an eagle, an apple, an umbrella and octopus. So far you have understood where to place article A and where to place article N. Here is a small exercise wherein you have to fill articles accordingly. Keep your video paused for a while and do this exercise now. I hope children you all must have done the exercise. So check the correct answer from here. An ugly, an Aadhaar, a eureka, an engine, an inch, an onion, a book, an insect, a pen, an eye, a year, a uniform. So I think now you all must have understood where to place article A and where to place article N. Now children, article da. We'll discuss about this article. This article is always placed before particular noun. Particular we have already discussed that we already know. The thing or noun which we already know. Like if I am talking about pen which you have purchased yesterday. So I am talking about that particular pen. I am not talking about any pen but that particular pen which you have purchased yesterday. And all the things which we already know. I have already told you like sun, moon, stars. These things we already know. Like the Mount Everest. Everyone knows about Mount Everest. So that is a particular thing, particular noun. So we always place article the before particular noun. Read these two sentences. Let's read a book. Let's read the book. When I am talking about this sentence, then that means I am talking about any book because this is common noun. Because article A is placed. We have already discussed article A is placed before a common noun. But when article the is placed before a noun, then that means this noun is a particular noun. We are talking about a particular book. So we conclude article A and N is placed before any person or thing. The is placed before a particular person or thing. Give me a shirt. Any shirt I am talking about. But when I am saying give me the shirt you were wearing yesterday. So I am talking about a particular shirt. would love to tell you a story. So I am talking about any story, but here where I am placing article the, I am talking about a particular story of a king. Now, secondly, when we speak of a person or thing for the first time, we always place article a or article n. But if we speak of it again, we use article the. For example, I ate an apple. When apple is introduced for the first time, we'll use article an. But apple is known already because you have introduced it already. So when we are using it again, we'll use article the before this. So the apple was very sweet. I have placed article the. This you have to keep in mind. Whenever the noun is repeating second time, then you will place article the. Here are the examples. I washed dash white shirt and dash red top together. Now dash shirt is pink. So here first time white shirt is coming, so article a will be placed and article a will be placed here also. But shirt, we are talking about shirt for the second time, so we will place article the. Juhi read a book because first time book is introduced and magazine is also introduced for the first time, so article a will be placed. But here book is second time book has come, so we'll place article the. Now here also Neha told Reena dash secret. First time secret is introduced, article a will be placed. But second time dash secret was a big surprise. So what I will place here? The, because secret is introduced earlier. Whenever number of times, whatever number of times the same word is repeating, we'll place article the. Here also the will be placed. Although secret has come twice, repeated twice. First time it has been introduced and then repeated twice. Both the times I have placed article the. So this you have to keep in mind. If for the first time a noun is introduced, we'll place article a or n according to the sound of vowel or consonant. But if the same noun is repeated again, we'll place article the. We use the with the following, like with the earth, the sun, the moon, the stars, because they are one of a kind. So we'll place the always in front of these things. Now we use the with the following things before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, holy books, newspapers, famous buildings, trains, directions, ships, etc. Like the Nile, the Indian Ocean, the Times of India, the Taj Mahal, the West. So in front of all of them we'll place article the always. Okay? But sometimes we do not put article the. There are few exceptions like name of person in city like Agra, Rohan, etc. We never put the article before these things. Like for example, Rohan is a good athlete. Rohan is the name of a person. So is this sentence correct or is this sentence correct? The Rohan is a good athlete. Name of a person is there. We never put article the before a name of a person. So this is correct and this is wrong. Next is uncountable nouns. We never put article the before uncountable nouns unless they are made particular. We have read the topic uncountable nouns. So like sugar, coffee, they are uncountable nouns. So we never put the before uncountable nouns. Like gold is a precious metal. Gold is also uncountable noun. So we will not place any article before this. But when gold is made a particular noun, then we'll place. Like the gold used in this jewelry is really very nice. Here gold is used as a particular noun, then we'll place article the. You have to keep this in mind. So both the sentences are correct. Now here is a small exercise wherein you will put article a, an or the according to the understanding what we have done so far. So pause your video for a while and do this exercise. So children, here are the answers. I hope your answers are also matching with my answers. If all are correct, then you have understood the topic articles. So let's revise what we have done in today's video. We have learned article a is always placed before singular common noun if it is beginning with a consonant sound. Article n is placed before a common singular noun which is beginning with a vowel sound, and article da is placed before particular persons, things that are one of a kind, names of books, well-known buildings and names of rivers. So children, I hope today's video is clear to all of you. In case you find any difficulty, you can ask the queries. So that's it for today. We'll meet again in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.